Well, I made one AC video, so I figured I'd make another. This is a Maytag unit. This thing is about 10, 12 years old, I don't know. And it's in pretty rough shape. There's a crack right there, bent fin. I used to have one of these in my room actually, before I got that Kenmore, but it failed, and this one is probably not far behind. Because, well, just listen to it. Apparently someone needs to clean the filter. But anyway, listen to this. It also smells pretty bad when it runs, so... yeah. Anyway, there's a Maytag AC unit. Thanks for watching.